BBG cars.
This is a 2005 Ford Escape. This one is coming in for paint work, interior work. It's in better shape than this other car, but the problem with this is the engine has a temperature control problem, a temperature issue. And we'll show this car restored when we're done. So she's in pretty good shape. .3-liter 4-cylinder. Okay, so stay updated on this. We'll update you on it.
Now I got some peace of mind, and I'm not gonna waste my time. Can't believe that I was so blind. All I want is to press rewind, but I'm gonna be just fine. Honestly, I don't care what you think about me breaking free from everything we were. And it's all because of you. Did you think I'd forget it? All because of you. It'll be clearer in a second. All because of you. All because of you. Yeah, you made a big mistake that you will realize someday. By then it'll be too late, 'cause I know that it's all just fake, but I'm gonna be okay. Honestly, I don't care what you say about me breaking free from everything we were. And it's all because of you. Did you think I'd forget it? All because of you. It'll be clearer in a second. All because of you. All because of you. Now I've got peace of mind, 'cause I'm leaving you behind. I don't know about you. You were just a waste of time, but I'm gonna be just fine. I don't know about you.
That concludes episode 2. If you like what you saw today, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, like button, and send it to your friends, okay? And we'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.